For the second week of CIS127, we're going to be actually programming a couple different programs. If we go to week 2 and go to our assignments down here, right there, we're actually going to be creating these programs right here. To do that, we need to install Visual Studio with C++ on our computers. To do that, I'd like you to go to this window right here, visualstudio.com. And we're going to take and download Windows. I believe if you're on a Mac, it's going to automatically forward you to Mac. We're going to be doing the Community 2007. And if you wait for just a moment, we're going to get a little icon down here. If you click on that, say yes. Takes and opens up this. Continue. And this is going to take just a second, so when it's finished, you're going to end up with something like this. We want to just install Visual C++. If you already have this installed and you have everything else installed, that's fine. But for this class, we're going to be using just C++, so we're just going to install the basics for that. If you go ahead and click on this, it gives you a bunch of defaults on this side. We're just going to say, go ahead, I'm happy with that, so we're going to take and hit install. And then it's going to do this for a long time. Get ready to sit back and have a cup of coffee and enjoy yourself for a bit. And I'm going to pause it. After a really long pause here, okay, you guys been loading and loading. You should end up with something like this. We aren't going to be needing the community when we use Visual Studio C++ in class. So therefore, I'm going to suggest you just say not now, maybe later. And we're going to start Visual Studio. Pause. Actually, that was a very short pause, wasn't it? First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a new project. We're going to go to File, New, Project. The things that we're going to be doing in this class are called a window console application. Make sure you understand where you're putting this stuff. You can always browse to a different area, but this will work for now. Make sure that you're on Windows console application is what you want. We could change the name here to something different, but I'm not going to. I'm going to say OK. Waiting for just a moment here. Creates our application. And there we go. We're ready to code, just like that.